Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use huddles on Slack. So let's head over to slack.com and of course, make sure that you're logged into your account. And from here, we're just going to launch Slack. So we're just going to use Slack in our browser. So from your Slack homepage to start a huddle, just click on this headphone-like icon. So from your homepage to start a huddle, all you have to do is click on this headphone icon, or you can also press Ctrl, Alt, Shift, and H. So as you can see, a new huddle has been started. And to maximize the huddle window, just click on this icon. Let's start with the basic functions that you can use on huddles. This icon, you can use this to open your mic, or you can also mute your mic by clicking on this. This icon is for turning on and turning off your video. And this icon is used to share your screen by clicking on this. And this icon is used to add a reaction. Say, for example, you're in a meeting and you want to send a specific reaction, such as this like icon. And as you can see, a like reaction has been shown. And from here, you can invite people to the meeting or to the huddle by clicking on this. And by clicking on this gear icon, you can customize settings. You can invite people, copy huddle link, go to a new channel, add a topic, choose a huddle theme, huddle language, show captions. You can also change the video background and adjust video and mic settings. You can choose microphone and speaker device. You can also show a video preview. This section, you can see here the thread section wherein you can send messages, files, and link to everyone in the huddle. You can start by typing a message here. You can also make it bold and italize. You can also add a checklist, mention someone from your channel, record a video clip, and even audio clip. And once done, you can send it by clicking on this icon. And as you can see, the thread that we created has been sent to our huddle. You can see at the bottom of the window, you can even choose a song that plays while in the huddle. By clicking on this, we can change the song to waiting room, subway music, and a lot more. And by hovering to settings, you can also choose to play the music when alone in a huddle, right when you join, or after 30 minutes, or after 1 minute. You can also turn this off by clicking on Never Play Music. And if you want to exit the huddle, just simply click on Leave, or you can also press Ctrl, Alt, Shift, and H. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!